your hand makes me tremble with it.
Hello, I'm Carla with Designers Hair Studio and Hair Growth Center. I am a certified hair loss practitioner and alopecia specialist. I'm inviting you to our Heal Your Hair workshop. It's a workshop where we're talking about and I'm training beauty professionals as well as individuals on how to prevent hair loss, whether it's genetic or not, how to stop hair loss, and how to get the hair to begin growing in a faster, more vibrant way and keep those hair follicles in the growth phase for longer. If you want healthier, stronger, more vibrant hair, I can help you do that. Click the link in the bio, find out more about the workshop, and I hope to see you there.